Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So currently I'm kicking off the video super different today, and let's just say I'm about to get comfortable with the uncomfortable real quick. I don't know, I'm super nervous, but at the same time I'm really excited. And I guess in life you just gotta do things that are uncomfortable, you know. You gotta test your limits and you gotta face your fears, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna create a little adventure today for my birthday. You guys will actually be seeing this vlog on my actual birthday, which is the 28th. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy the content I'm about to bring you guys. It's super amazing. I feel that this is gonna be, you know, a memory that I'll hold forever.
You have to eat the dream. You have to sleep the dream. You have to dream the dream. You gotta touch, you have to see it when nobody else sees it. You have to feel it when it's not tangible. You have to believe it when you cannot see it. You gotta be possessed with the dream.
Adam's been here at the house grinding it out. He currently disassembled the K20 A3 long block, so he just finished taking apart the head. He got the rocker arms off, the cams, you know, the cam assembly, and yeah, this is the first stages to actually getting his K20 K24 setup going. Look at this guy, he's bugging right now while I'm doing this shit. What do we got in there?
Well, I can't open it.
Let me see.
Dick.
Rocker assembly. This guy pulled some strings, ordered a full Supertech kit, springs, retainers, titanium valves, flat top valves actually, guides, seals, everything.
Yeah. Any weapon formed against us shall not prosper. Young niggas started with oozing noodles, now we eating lobster. As I walk through the valley with my ladder and flex, I'm the realest nigga in it, I just happened to rap. When they all thought we was finished, they was laughing at that. So I went and bought me a dawn and flipped the head to the back. Fuck, new drag, new whips on the way now. That's your bitch on the way now. Mama told me if you fall, never stay down. Stand up, nigga, I can never lay down. Wins and them losses, he come with being bosses. Shoot a pussy nigga in his head if he crosses. Take that shit to trial at the Fed, making offers. 500,000, Louis said we looking awesome. Swat that patty for them cup, take them off us. Little bitch, call me little fish. Niggas try to turn my lights out, I'm still lit. Streets calling and they say they want some real shit. Young boy looking like he hit a real lick. I got too many foreigns, man, this shit getting boring. $500,000 last week, you would've thought I was torn. Niggas try to count me out, I guess they thought I was normal. They ain't know I was different.
Alright, got the traction bar all mocked up. Right now, I'm gonna create some little mounting points for the radiator. Get that all fitted in. And yeah, throw some little tags down on the little mounts that I'm making and we'll be straight. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Woo! Just in time. Hell yeah, motherfucker. K parts coming in the mail. Super late. We didn't think they were gonna come in, but they're in. What is it? What is it?
That shit came in.
Hell yeah.
Damn.
Let me see that. K parts. Let's open the shit up. Hurry up. I was in the middle of a vlog, but fuck it.
Thank you, dude.
Thank you. You have a great day.
Never was personal when we're business. Settle down, let it settle down. Couldn't tell me shit when I was breath, how they gon' tell me now? I'm running around, I would've drawn that hold 100 rounds. If it was fuck them niggas, then it's fuck them niggas now. Fuck. Never change on my road dogs. But that cane been on things like we old dog. Walk up in the dealer and I pull that rose off. These niggas said I wouldn't make it like I told y'all.
Tabs are made. Radiator supported. It's pretty strong, doesn't move, stays into place. I applied pressure with my foot on each tab and it does hold pretty well. It doesn't move, doesn't bend. You could say that it is pretty solid. Alright guys, check it out. You guys have an idea what I'm getting myself into. I just pulled up to the location, and let me tell you, I'm a little nervous, but I'm super excited. It's a experience of a lifetime, that's for sure.
We're good. Okay, good. We have 20 gallons.
Gotcha. It's about to be live. We're gonna go on our first test flight. Ivan's my instructor. He's right there.
This is gonna be an experience of a lifetime, that's for sure.
I'm excited. Sounds good. I feel like I'm in Grand Theft Auto right now. I swear.
We're stealing this.
I'm about to get 6 stars. Am I staying on the left side?
Yep, that's the captain's side, yep.
Oh, damn.
Oh, wow. So, you want to hook that up? See where there's a little connector there? This one here? Do I have both of them or just one? Only one would fit. And then, you want to look for the other one too. There. What the hell's the other one? See? Let me see it.
Oh, there's 2 right here on the side.
That's where they go.
Damn, I'm a pilot already.
Yeah, you are. Clear!
What about this part?
Now this. There you go.
Testing. I can't hear you.
cool.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Wow, I've never taken up someone who had more fun, really.
Bro, that was like an experience of a lifetime,
I can tell, man. I remember my first time was just like that.
Man, guys, that was awesome. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Ivan is a super cool pilot. He walked me through everything and it was just amazing, honestly.
Riverside Flight Academy.
Let them know.
Come learn how to fly.
Riverside Flight Academy.
SoCal.
You heard that.
People drive in from Arrowhead, Huntington Beach, Long Beach, Riverside Flight.
You guys heard him. Come and get your flight lessons in. You will not regret it. I'm super afraid of heights, but let me tell you, this was phenomenal. There's nothing like it. You're not in full operation, but you had control over everything. He walked you through it.
You did everything. All I did was land, right?
Hey, I thought landing was gonna be a little more scary, but it was cool. Definitely an experience to remember. I'm gonna recommend this to a lot of people. That's for sure. Kill your fears.